66 million years ago, a rock the size of Mount Everest was flying straight at Earth at 45,000 miles per hour, and it was about to ruin the dinosaurs' entire weekend. But what if it missed? Because if that asteroid whiffed, you wouldn't exist, your dog wouldn't exist, and Brad from accounting, probably a lizard. Today we're figuring out what Earth looks like if the dinos dodged the bullet. Spoiler, it's weirder than you think. We got smart dinos, dumb dinos, dino wars, and one tiny mammal crying in a hole. That mammal is your grandpa. Okay, quick refresher. The Cretaceous period. Dinosaurs had been running the planet for 165 million years. That's not a typo. That's like if a single family owned your entire neighborhood for 1,000 generations and refused to sell. Life was good. T-Rex was top of the food chain. Triceratops was vibing. Mosasaurs were terrorizing the oceans. And mammals? Mammals were tiny little rats the size of a hamster, living in dirt holes, absolutely losing. Then, the rock showed up, 10 kilometers wide. Hit what is now Mexico, instantly vaporized everything within 1,500 miles, launched a tsunami across the Atlantic, and kicked enough dust into the sky to block the sun for years. Plants died. The animals that ate plants died. The animals that ate those animals died. It was, scientifically speaking, a very bad Tuesday. But what if? It missed by like 6 minutes. Here's the wild part. If the asteroid had hit Earth just 30 seconds later, it would have splashed into the deep ocean. Dust cloud? Way smaller. Extinction event? Cancelled. Scientists actually ran this math. The dinosaurs lost the cosmic lottery by about half a minute. So let's say it misses. What happens? Scenario 1, dinos keep evolving. They'd already been around 165 million years. Give them another 66 million, and things get weird. Some scientists think raptors, which were already scary smart, could have evolved brains like ours. There's a theory called the Dinosauroid, basically a dinosaur person, bipedal, big brain, 3-fingered hands. Looks like if a lizard and a human had a baby and the baby was judging you. Scenario 2, mammals stay tiny. Without the extinction, mammals never get their big break. No primates, no monkeys, no humans. Your entire family tree, still a shrew in a hole. Scenario 3, no cities, no civilization, ever. No pyramids, no Rome, no Wi-Fi, no TikTok, no one to invent the MC rib. The planet is just dinosaurs forever. A 200 million year Jurassic Park with no gift shop. Honestly, kind of a vibe. Okay, here's where it gets spicy. Some scientists think the dinos were already dying before the asteroid hit. Yeah. Volcanoes in India called the Deccan Traps were erupting for like 30,000 years, dumping toxic gas into the atmosphere. Dinosaur diversity had been dropping for a while. The asteroid might have just been the final boss, which means even if the rock missed, dinosaurs might have gone extinct anyway. Just slower and sadder. So maybe we were always going to win. Maybe mammals were always going to inherit the earth. Maybe you were always destined to be watching this at 1 a.m. when you have work tomorrow. What's the real answer? If that asteroid missed, you, me, pizza, and the entire concept of Tuesday might not exist. Dinosaurs might still be out there. Or they might have died off, anyway, and some other weird creature would be running the show. Either way, one thing is certain. The asteroid's aim was impeccable. Anyway, that's enough existential dread for one video. If you like this, there's a subscribe button somewhere. Probably. I don't know how YouTube works. See you next time.